Hi, my name is Mario. I'm from Urbanscreen, and together with LYNX Media Systems, we developed theAdapter. And to give you a small introduction in the product, I pass over the microphone to my colleague Tobias.
Hi, I'm Tobias Wuston from theAdapter, and we have a product that connects all the physical world with the digital and analog in and outputs, and the software protocols like OSC, TCP, UDP, and all the stuff together on this web-based interface where we can hand over all the digital signals, bring them onto functions, or record them and play them back, and can interact with websites as well, like you can see here on the screen, where we hand over to a button, and this will control the media server. So come and visit us on the-adapter.com, and goodbye.